Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all crepe lovers and dessert enthusiasts as we are taking a delicious trip to Goa to explore a unique and delightful treat, Goan Alle Belle Pancakes. These thin crepes are filled with a sweet and fragrant coconut and jaggery filling, creating a textural and flavor contrast that's truly irresistible. Get ready for a delightful combination, crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside, all bursting with the natural sweetness of coconut and a touch of caramel from the jaggery. Plus, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make at home. So ditch the boring desserts and embark a sweet Goan adventure with Alle Belle Pancakes. So now let's get cooking. So first take 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Add a pinch of salt and add 1 pinch green cardamom powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 1 whole egg. Mix it until the flour is nice and crumb texture. Something like this. Then keep adding water until it is nice and thick batter. Make sure you add a little water at a time as you don't want the batter to get too runny. It must be a nice and thick batter. Then whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Make sure the thickness is something like this. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it to be too thick. This is a perfect consistency. Then strain the pancake batter. This helps to remove any lumps in the batter. Then rest this for about 15 minutes. Meantime, make the sweet filling. Then to make the sweet filling, take a bowl, add 130 grams of palm jaggery, add 130 grams of fresh grated coconut and mix it until the jaggery is nicely melted and mixed with coconut. Keep mixing it until it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add 1 teaspoon ghee. Then add the pancake batter and do exactly as it is done. Cook it for about 2 minutes or until it leaves the side of the pan. Then turn it around and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then fill the pancake with the sweet filling as shown. Be generous with the sweet filling. Do the same to all the other pancakes, similar like this. So all the pancakes are done. Then simply garnish it with the sweet filling and fresh coconut. And there you have it guys, a plate of warm and delicious Goan Alle Belle pancake ready to satisfy your sweet tooth. Look at those golden brown crepes, perfectly folded and filled with the rich coconut and jaggery mixture. Every bite is a delightful dance of texture and flavors. Crispy outside, soft inside and bursting with natural sweetness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sweet and international recipe adventures like this one. If you prefer a chewier crepe, simply cook them for a bit longer. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra touch of Goan addition, you can serve these pancakes with a cup of strong Goan chai. Now go forth and create a taste of Goa with these delicious Alle Belle pancakes. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.